Hi children, good morning to all and welcome to my class. Hope all of you are keeping safe at home. Stay home, be safe. Let us start our topic. Today, we will think about how to find the sum of n times of an AP. Consider 1 plus 2. We know the answer is 3. This 3 we can write 2 times 3 divided by 2. In the second case, 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 numbers or 3 terms are there. The sum of these 3 numbers equal 6. 6 we can write 3 times 4 divided by 2. The next sequence 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. The sum is 10. 10 we can write 4 times 5 divided by 2. And the next one 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Like this way we can write, here it is 5 times, so the sum we can write 5 times 6 divided by 2. 5 times 6 30, 30 divided by 2 15. Similarly, we can find sum of first 15 natural number. Here 15 times are there, so the sum we can write 15 times 16 divided by 2. Answer is 120. In general, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to n. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus etc. plus n. The sum of this sequence we can write, here it is n times. So n times n plus 1 divided by 2. That we can rewrite n into n plus 1 we can write 1 plus n divided by 2. Here 1 is the first term and n is the last term. We can rewrite this formula sum of AP, that is equal n by 2 into a plus l. A is first term, L is last term. In this sequence, first term is 1, last term is n. So, we can generalize the formula sum of AP. Sum of first n times of an AP we can find by using this formula n by 2 into a plus l, where n is number of terms, a is first term and l is the last term. We can derive another useful formula from this equation. We can write n by 2 into a plus l, where l is the last term. Last term is same as nth term. The last term we can rewrite a plus n minus 1 into d. That is sum of first n times of an AP. We can write n by 2 into a plus, instead of l we can write a plus n minus 1 into d. We are finding the last term, nth term, by using this formula only. That's why we are writing here a plus n minus 1 into d. That is n by 2 into a plus a, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, the sum of n times of an AP is Sn. Normally we are denoting Sn equal n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or Sn equal n by 2 into a plus l. Based on the question, we can use either the first formula or the second formula. Now we can go through few examples by using this formula. These examples I took from the textbook itself. It is our workout examples in the textbook. Example 11. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP 8, 3, minus 2, etc. In this AP, first term is 8. Number of terms, n, the value of n is 22. And the common difference, second term minus first term. 3 minus 8, that is minus 5. The sum of first n terms of an AP is Sn, or S equal n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we know the values of a, d and n. Just substitute that values in this formula. We will get s equal 22 by 2 into 16 plus 21 times minus 5. That is equal 11 times 16 minus 105. That is equal 11 times minus 89. The sum is minus 979. So, the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP 8, 3, minus 2 etc. is minus 979. Next example. If the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, then find the 20th term. Read the question 2-3 times. It is given sum of first 14 terms, that is S14. S14 equal 1050. Number of terms 14. First term 10. The last term they didn't give. So Sn equal n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We can substitute the knowing values. Sn 1050 equal 14 divided by 2 into 20 plus 13d. 14 minus 1, that is 13d, equal 140 plus 91d. Here 14 divided by 2 7. 7 times 20, that is 140. Then 7 times 13d, that is 91d. In the next step, we can simplify the equation. 1050 equal 140 plus 91d. That is 1050 minus 140 equal 91d. That is 910 equal 91d. Therefore, d equal 910 divided by 91. The value of d is 10. Now we know the first term is 10 and common difference is 10. Both values are 10. Here the question, we need to find the 20th term. 20th term, the nth term formula we know, a plus n minus 1 into d. So here the value of n is 20. Therefore a20 equal a 10 plus n minus 1, 20 minus 1 into 10. The answer is 200. Therefore the 20th term of that AP is 200. Thank you.